In a compact kitchen, a humble toaster oven becomes a magic skillet, turning everyday scraps into 3 quick meals. First, a savory egg cup using leftover vegetables, shredded cheese, and a whisked egg baked in a ramekin until perfectly golden. Second, a crispy personal pizza built on crusty toast with tomato scraps, herbs, and mozzarella, baked to bubbling perfection. Third, a sweet crumb bar that blends oats, mashed banana scraps, a touch of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon, toasted until fragrant. These tiny transformations show how waste becomes a dinner story and a creative lesson in mindful cooking.